Hi everyone, my name is Artificial Mikhail, and here at that channel we are talking about an artificial intelligence, its past, future and present. In our last video we were talking about the definition of intelligence. Now we will speak about the definition of artificial intelligence. Shortly, briefly, as usual. The artificial intelligence in the computer science area we can define as programmed system or machine that can first learn supervised and unsupervised data, the second process data, and the third solve the tasks set by the developers. I think you've heard about computer vision, speech recognition, about such blocks of AI as neural networks, machine learning, and maybe deep learning. In our next video, we will speak about the computer vision definition. I hope you was enjoyed by watching this video. Dare to know and subscribe. See you soon.